and I know they see me now. Anywhere you dey, wetin I'm about to talk today, I know say most of una go feel offended, but no feel offended. I like you and I love you. And I dey always dey talk something. I dey always dey tell my friends, say they say Christianity na this that. I no go against Christianity. I be Christian. Everybody na Christian. But there is one thing I always dey ask people. If heaven dey, these oyibo people wey no allow us progress, it is say they go allow us see heaven. That one na the first question, but we will leave that story for another day. We wan talk about this vaccine wey Obaseki, all those governors like Akeredolu, they say if people no take this vaccine, they no fit enter bank again, nothing. Yes, this thing dey happen now sef, even for USA, for Australia, New Zealand don even worse like this now. People dey protest every day, but you no go see am for the big mainstream media wey dey call CNN or BBC, Al Jazeera. Lie, they no go show am because all those people know wetin dem dey do. See, anything wey dem dey force give you, that thing no be to help you, na to kill you or to monitor you. Now, I wan ask something. You think say this Buhari wey dey there, so all those governors wey Nigeria get, if this coronavirus vaccine na to keep us alive, you think say all those people forgive us? They no give us. May I tell you the truth. People wey no give you palliative heat during lockdown, tell me how they wan take give you vaccine wey wan make you dey alive. People wey be say they no do road for you, you know how many accidents, how many people dey die for our road every day. Now they wan give you vaccine wey wan save your life. People wey no build hospitals for you, if them dey sick, they go hide run go abroad. Now they wan give you vaccine wey wan save your life. Oh, they think now God give us brain, oh, they use and think. Because why I dey talk this thing, I don't see many people wey don take this vaccine wey dey complain. They no dey show all now. If you go inside social media where you dey see all those things, people dey fight well now for America, like Candace Owen. Many. Even Brazil president no gree take am. We no say we no go take am. Even me myself, I go take am. Normally, we go take am. Yeah, we no just agree. All of us go take am. But first, make dem give our people job. Wetin go make them dey alive? Make governor give us job. Make dem give us work. Make dem give us roads. Make dem give us light. Make dem clear bandits. People wey no gree clear bandits, they no give you road, they no give you light, they no give you food. Nothing. Now they wan come give you vaccine wey go make you dey alive. May I tell you, if that vaccine go make you dey alive, all those people ready, take am, keep am. Food suppose make many people dey alive during coronavirus time, but they lock all those foods there, they spoil. Now, if you dey sick, they need to force you say take medicine before you take am. You wey dey sick, you no know say you go dey alive. No, make we ask ourselves question. You wey dey sick, you know say you go dey alive, and you know say you need to take medicine. How come you no dey sick and you never say you dey feel headache, but they dey tell you say make you go take this injection first, because you need to take am before you need to collect your money wey dey your own bank account, or you need to enter church, or you need to waka, or you need to work. That one tell you say something dey hide wey all those people no wan show me and you. Something dey hide wey they no wan show us. We hear Boris Johnson dey give report to their governor some days ago, say time dey come wey be say where you sleep, they go monitor you, they go know everything. We dey enter smart world. Yes, smart world. Technology na im go spoil this world, and it already dey spoil the world. Many people wey greedy because they dey make money from all those technology. Now them they defend all those things, so because of their greediness, they no care about the millions or your life, whether you die. Now ask yourself, person wey no gree clear bandit, one person wey say may you give your land or you die. Now this government, person wey pursue na comot for work. You know how many bank close under this Buhari? Person wey push us enter reception. Person wey no give you food during corona, you know how many people die during coronavirus. Me in person wey dey, I no get, but I know how many people I help during that time. Person wey no build hospital for you, you know how many people dey die. See, one girl die that day just because of inhaler. Inhaler, no be vaccine na. Inhaler, how much? School no get inhaler. Our even general hospital don run out of medicine. People wey care about you, wey want you to dey alive, they will give you all those things first. Person wey want make you dey alive go give you light. Because if light dey that our country now, many opportunities dey. Boys go hustle, boys go do things. Person wey no do this one for you, na him wan give you vaccine, say you go save your life. See, sometimes we no dey reason. I dey always dey tell people, make we reason o, make we reason, make we dey think. Because if we dey think, all those things for no happen. How we say we dey even dey think Buhari for no even be president? Because as soon as Buhari just talk say if he no win election, he go make sure say blood go roll everywhere, he go feed out people blood everywhere. If you dey think first, because the first thing wey come my mind be say, if this one love me, you no go dey talk like this now. If you win, good. If you no win, good na. Or people wey you love, you say you wan kill them, say you no win election. That kind person go take help you. But yet we no think, we still go vote for am. Now you know they think now. Say people wey no give you food, no give you palliative, no give you anything. They want me hunger kill you. See people who they loot, they steal. You see how many stealing? They lock the food inside house. They lock the food, carry the key, throw am inside Lagos garbage, make the water carry and go. And then one come give you injection. Say that injection, now it go give you life. Common food, you no give you. Now injection, one come give you, and you won't take am. May you take am too now, bros. You wey dey hear this, in case your grandmama no dey on the ground or Facebook, you know, see am, try let her know, show am this, make himself reason am o. See, we no get, but as we sit dey use body, dey jump body, dey break, we call each other. How you dey na? I dey fine o. See, dey look unto God. E better pass say person don go take injection, say make e take save him life, he die. Me personal, I know 3 people now wey don take this thing wey be say they dey complain. Since they don take am, they complain. No be say they dey tell me o. Nah. People, see, I no trust all those governments again. If government really love us, say they won't give us vaccine, yes, may they build hospital for us first. May they give us good road. You know how many people they die for our road every day? May they pursue bandits. Yes, may they pursue bandits now. May they pursue Boko Haram. Yeah. If they love us, say they want us, may we dey alive, say they love us, Obaseki love us, so Akeredolu love us. Yes, you love us, Abi. Tie road, do road. Build hospitals, buy medicine, put for our hospitals and schools. You love us, school go on strike for almost 1 year. 1 year. Our syllabus still remain the same thing. Since 1960, syllabus, now they see they use. Why the world don't they run? Some schools don't add coding to their syllabus. Nigeria no get coding for syllabus for primary students. Yet they say they love us, and they say they use outdated syllabus for us. See, may you think about this now, bros, sister. May you think about this. I know they about against any vaccine at all, but we just say more make common sense. If those people like us, say they want me with their life as they talk true, therefore keep palliative for you and I. You see the katakata wey happen during the coronavirus period. Therefore take light away from you and I. They no give you light, road no dey, nothing. Wetin you even need sef? The common thing wey you need. And this one wey you need sef, you dey pay put every day o. You dey pay to ride motor for road, you go pay. And the road wey no see good, you see dey pay tax put, you dey pay put. You buy fuel, you dey pay your tax, everything. Now you wan come give you injection, we wan make you dey alive. Those people no care for you. They no care for anybody. Before you take injection, think twice. Think twice before you take injection.